I am Florence Nightingale, and I am a nurse concerned with promoting the health of house. There are intrinsic things in our environment such as pure air, pure water, efficient drainage, cleanliness, and light that despite the culture of the home, we can extrinsically manipulate to promote healing. Heard about this house, and they are not using proper health promotion, so I'm gonna go help them out. Hello! Coming in, it's Florence Nightingale! Oh my goodness! What is going on in here? This isn't a place for a sick child.
I don't feel so good.
I see the child is kept in the dark, and the air here is thick with dust. The doors and windows are shut, and what is that smell in here? It's a hot mess. It smells like dirty socks. There were dirty carpets, old walls, filthy furniture. You might as well live in the garbage dump. A healthy child begins with a healthy house. Let's think about some things we can improve upon. Sound good? Great. Man, I could write a book about all the problems going on in here. What do you think we could do to get some light in here?
Meh, I guess we could open the curtains. You open them.
People can't heal in a dark home. We all need a little light in our life.
Wow, that really lightens it up in here.
It is so stuffy in here, and the air is so stagnant. No wonder little Nellie is sneezing like the way she is. There's poop everywhere.
She must have caught something at school last week.
The parents never think to look at their own home as the cause of illness. What is the simplest way to let some clean air in?
Let's open the windows and doors.
This will help Nellie get better.
Hold on there. We were just trying to clean the air. Don't go and undo what you just did. Without cleanliness, ventilation is useless.
She told us that she had seen hundreds of patients over the years. The lack of light, pure air, cleanliness, and pure water all got in the way of Whoa! What's it called?
The reparative process!
The reparative process.
Speaking of cleanliness, what is going on in here?
My wife has been so busy, with other things and hasn't been able to clean in a little while.
Little while? Look, it's been 5 years.
This needs to be cleaned up quickly. A lot of illness can arise from this unnecessary environment. Are you ready to clean?
Yeah!
All right.
I'll get you some water, honey.
Oh, no, Lou. This is dirty water. It can make you sick. We need to get some fresh water.
I can't believe we've been drinking dirty water this whole time.
I can't believe You have been giving dirty water this whole time.
Florence really came in here and noticed things we have never thought about before.
We just don't know what we would have done without her.
She looked at the house and lack of cleanliness and saw how much it was affecting our little Nellie.
She has taught us we have to look around and see if there are patterns. If Nellie gets sick every time it's dark and cold, it may be the disease itself, but it could be the environment.
Florence saved our little Nellie. We don't know what we would have done without her. What a woman!
I feel so much better. Thank you, Mrs. Nightingale.
Well, I think we have accomplished a lot here. Just remember that a clean home is a healthy home.